Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. How are you today? I hope you're fine. Okay, we are the student of Yamaha University. In this opportunity, we will present our research by the title "The Use of Zoom Meeting Application in the Implementation of Student Online Learning During the COVID-19 Pandemic in MTS 6 Tangerang Academic Year 2020 and 2021." There are three speakers. The first speaker will be presented by me. My name is Febrian Sururi. The second speaker will be presented by Ms. Wulan Megawati Nur. And the last speaker will be presented by Ms. Nidia Gadis Kuswita Putri. Okay, let's go to the point. I, as the first speaker, will be explain about the background of the research. Okay, next slide. Okay, uh, the first point is the background of the research. Uh, the COVID-19 pandemic has made related institutions have to present other ways in the learning process. Almost of the school and universities in Indonesia perform a distance learning system. All students in Indonesia are required to study online at home. Not only the educational sector, employers who work in the office or government applied work from home system too. The distance learning policy has the indirectly changed the paradigm of the conventional learning system, which was originally face-to-face in and then turned virtual and did not meet the student in the class. Uh, as we know that the case of the COVID in Indonesia is more than 3 million case and with the 100,000 more of death. Okay, next. Next item, in the context of distance learning, the method that use an internet-based interactive model and the learning management system or LMS, such as using Zoom meeting, Google Meet, and so on. The author applied this research to the distance learning using Zoom meeting. Zoom meeting is an application used to the assist to face-to-face learning process using video. In short, Zoom meeting is a video-based application. Andayani 2020. This application or Zoom meeting make easier teacher and the student meet face-to-face virtually and communicate and to give the material or the assignment. Usually, the student more pay attention when they see the teacher face and can be more focused to accept the material. The problem using Zoom is to be to internet quota, and there are several of students come from the family who have a low economy. And the second item is about the method of the research. In this study, the author used qualitative research method, namely research that use human and instrument, producing descriptive data in the form of written or spoken word from people and behavior that can be observed. Herring 2004. The data collection techniques were conducted with the library research and interview through Google Form and WhatsApp to document. The method which is used by the author is library research. It's taken from the some book or the journal with the related to the research and the interview to the student through Google Form and WhatsApp application. Okay, for the next speaker will be presented by Miss Wulan Megawati Nur. So Miss Wulan Megawati Nur, time for you.
Okay, thank you very much for the time, Mr. Febrian Sururi. Okay, now it's time to me to explain about the result and discussion of the research. The result and discussion of the research. The first, the author made observation to the students in grade 7 at MTSN 9 Tangerang regarding what learning media were used in online learning during the current pandemic. And the second, the learning media which use are only through WhatsApp group. There are some students who do not have cell phone must submit their assignment directly to school while adhering to health protocol. And the third, the authors conducted online learning education through Zoom meeting to students, teacher, and parent of students. Educate the existence of online learning media Zoom meeting by explaining how to use Zoom meeting and others. Okay. From the research method, the data collection technique were conducted with library research and interview to Google Form and WhatsApp to students. It can take the result that the students in the grade 7 at MTS and 6 Tangerang responsive were very enthusiastic and their curiosity and wanted to immediately carry out the Zoom meeting. Okay, and continue the result of discussion of the research. The first, the student responsive were very enthusiastic and their curiosity aroused and wanted to immediately carry out the Zoom meeting. And then the other reasons by choosing Zoom meeting is that student can meet face to face even only online. Zoom meeting are mostly used by educational institutions. Sherhan 2020. And last, therefore, so the student already know how to use the meeting if at the next education level they are instructed to carry out online learning to the Zoom meeting. Okay, the next. Next, Miss. Okay, and the third result and discussion of the research continue. And the first, the author conducted a direct interview. How about the Zoom meeting? Was it difficult or fun? The student answered, was only the problem with cell phone and inadequate internet quota. And then what has been said at the outset is that in fact, the only constraints are on electronic media and quote because not all of them have the same economy. And the last, for the implementation, the students are very enthusiastic. By using the Zoom meeting, the understanding and acceptance offered by the teacher can be felt. Okay, the next will be presented by Miss Nidia Gladys. And this is time for you, Miss, please.
Okay, thank you, Ms. Bulan. Okay, in this change, I would like present or about conclusion of the research. We can conclude that the application of online learning through the Zoom meeting at MTS N6 Tangerang was successfully implemented because the students who were very enthusiastic about doing online learning through this application. And they also can accept and understand what their teachers taught easily. Although there is obstacles such as internet quotas for online learning. Not all students are equal in terms of economics, but for its implementations, there is no obstacles and it's highly desired by MTSN 6 Tangerang students, especially 7th grade. Okay, I think that's all about our presentations. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.